practical strategies. For any video.
To go viral.
Here I share some practical strategies to go viral.
Número 1. Make a video that can solve a problem. I am magnet. I can attract some great power. I am serious.
Magnet, this video is not about you. Hi guys. I am A. I can assist you. Go viral.
Guys, we need to be on point.
Sorry for that.
It is that simple. Make a video. It should have.
Solution for a problem.
Upload it.
More strategies. Next video.